Endless and lengthy cable spaghetti can be a huge headache, right? Scandinavian Hub full sheet metal tray takes care of the mess. Let me show you how. Small kids and fuzzy family members shuffling under the table and even pulling the cables, even vacuuming between the cables is stressful. And the only desire is to put the cables away safely organized. Well, check it out. For a screwless installation, just peel off the red protective paper from the double-sided tape. Then simply attach the tray to the desk. This set comes with premium cable straps to help organize the cables even better. There are 3 ways to install the tray. Screwless way, facing the front, facing the back. Ventilation holes maximize the airflow to keep the cables cool. Scandinavian Hub full sheet metal cable tray is specifically designed to create a safe space for every need. The struggle ends now. Grab it here.